Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today I'm gonna do a trade recap on Meta. Let's see. We have a lower value day on the Camarilla 2-day relationship. Yesterday we had S3 at 168.47. R3 was at let's kind of spread that out a little bit. R3 was at 170.52. Let's see, 170.52, right? And today we have R3 at 163.61. And let's see, let's make that smaller. Right, and S3 is at 157.73 right here. So I was trying to get to S3 today, but it's looking like today is gonna be a typical day, which is typical after a trending day. You get this this kind of consolidation, kind of rangy kind of movement in the market the next day, you know what I'm saying? Because I guess price has to kind of I guess gather itself or rest or whatever it does, you know. People are kind of, I guess participants in the market are usually kind of scared after that. So actually right now I'm thinking like maybe I should take another trade right here, right? So I'm gonna take a trade right here at 163.19, and let's see, because it's just like it might be a range day where it just doubles up, you know, but it's looking kind of strong though, so I might get smashed here. Let's see if we get that rejection. Okay, right at the highs right there. Looks like I'm getting smashed. 163.19, I'm gonna do 164.75 as the stop. Alright, this is looking kinda suspect, man. But I think what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait till we get to up to like 165 and see what happens. 164.75. Let's see, let's pull across the time and sales. Alright, so this is a risky trade right here, man. Let's see. Alright, I'm gonna add to the position right there at 164.75, and if it rips on me, then I'm done. And the reason why I took this trade is like this is, to me, is gonna be a range day, right? We're gonna pop up again. We get this V reversal. Market makers came back, cleared out all the stops right there for the shorts. but today isn't going to be a trend day upwards in my opinion, so let's see what it does. Average price is 163.96, so let's see. This might take me back to break even if if the trade fails. We got a lot of selling coming in on the tape. So right now at this point, if I'm calculating right, I'm at break even with the profit I made from my this last trade right here, this R3 breakdown covered here at I think this is S1 or R1. Right, a lot of selling coming in there, red, below the bids. I think we're gonna get a pushback down into value. So if we get back down to like 163, that would be good, or to VWAP. Because I think the market makers are kind of spoofing the market right now. To me, this is false moves right here. But let's see, you know what I mean? False moves could turn into real moves once you get people coming in. Like if you entice enough buyers. Right now we got the same volume right here, 2 volume bars, but this one is a lot narrower compared to this volume bar right here. Low volume on this kind of hammerish candle kind of forming at the top there. I think when it's up there like that, I think it's called a tombstone or something like that. When it's at the highs. And I'm gonna probably give this let's see, 163.96. We're probably gonna get up to R4. Let's see, where's R4? That's at 166. So it's still within my risk management. Even if I lose this trade, it's not gonna be a big loss, because I'm utilizing some of my already gained profits on this trade. 15-minute, the volume is looking real low down here compared to the open. So let's see what I do. I was gonna do a trade recap, but I guess I got enticed, man. And right now we're working with this trade is volume price analysis. I'm utilizing volume price analysis where it's low volume on this pop-up right here. The ask on the level 2 is definitely looking heavier, so this is turning out to be a bad trade right here. Let's see if it really pops up and just fails. because we got the Mama Bear strategy already utilized, so I'm utilizing some of that profit right there to hold on to this trade, because I guess this was a bad entry right here. I was thinking it was going to be a typical day, we're just going to range and move back into value. So I was utilizing that as a little scalp entry to come down probably back to R2 162. But it's looking like it's popping up on me. So let's see what happens here. Still got some nice purple coming in on the tape. The US dollar is pulling back on me, so that's not too good. If the US dollar catches support at 12.929, then I guess that'll be cool. It'll get the reversal in the stock market. Right, we're getting some pullback off of 165.80, coming back to 165, dropping below 165.50. Probably gonna come back down to 165. If we lose 165, then we might get that flush down for the pop up and fail. Right, we got the Qs pulling back from the top. The Qs is now at 284. It popped up to 285.26. We got this indecision candle forming here, still at 165.20 on Meta. I wanna lose 165 and 164.62. That's upper VWAP right there. Let me go back to the 5-minute chart, see what that's looking like. And we got volume falling off again. Volume is moving lower. Right, so I'm gonna take a short, add to the position at 165.50. Because I'm seeing the weakness. I'm doing this because of the low volume on the push-up. So this is all a volume price analysis trade. Let's see if we push back into value. If we get back to R3, then it's a winning trade. If we get back to somewhere at 163.50, that'll be good. Alright, so the ask on the level 2 is drying up a little bit. I want to see some of them buyers selling out now with this pop-up. They shouldn't be too confident from yesterday, so let's see what they do. If they blow me out, they blow me out. Right, like it's up to R4 we go. Let's see. Alright, you see that price action right there? I think the buyers are taking their profits. Volume point of control is up here right at 165.42, so all the action is happening right here. I think the most we might get up to is 166.50 at R4, 166.54. But let's see. Let's see how confident the buyers are from yesterday. Alright, so let's see if we get this reversal pattern with some engulfing action. Maybe come back down to 165 on this candle, 164.90. It's giving some topping signals in the price action, the way it's moving right there. I'm still liking it for the short. Right now the level 2, the ask just dried up. So the bid is now stronger. Let's see if it makes an impact. See, we're catching some support. We're back at 12.928 on the US dollar chart. Let's see if we can hold on Meta. Let's see if we can keep it down. Probably not though. It's looking like it's gonna go against me. We got some ask at 166.57. So let's see what happens when we get up there. And I think at the break of R4, I might have to just give up this trade. Got some volume coming in on this candle, and the candles are shrinking, you know. Higher volume, smaller candle. Looks like Q's is kind of topping out as well. Let's see what it does. And if we do pop up to R4, I might do one more add at 166.50. And oh man, we got the US dollar falling, so we might get this breakout, man. Right now the bid is heavier though, so let's see. The bid is heavier on the level 2 on Meta. So I'm gonna add to my position probably on the break, like the break of 165. If we do get this nice rejection of a R4 right here. That's what I want to see right there. And then a break of upper VWAP, that red line right there. Right now the bid is outweighing the ask on the level 2, so that's looking nice and bearish. I got some bids right there at 165, so looking like we might pull back down to catch that. Then the next one is 164.31. Right, losing 165.50, so I'm gonna add to the position right there and look for the break of this upper view up. If we lose that, we definitely lose in the uptrend. Okay, we're sitting right on top of it there. The bid is very heavy on the level 2 on Meta. We still haven't touched that bid at 165. And I'm gonna take the break of 165. I'm gonna take the breakdown of 165 again. Once we hit that bid, I'm gonna jump in again. Oh, the level 2 just got heavier. Again, we got some stacking up on the level 2 on the bid side. We losing it or what? 165.01. Still ain't hit the bid. And boom, I'm in. Alright, so add it to the position right there for the breakdown. And I'm probably looking to get back to R3 or VWAP. Volume is looking kind of low though, but let's see. This is a nice reversal pattern right here. Ah, the Q's are selling off. Nice. Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna look to take half off at R3 and VWAP. Let's see if we get there. Oh, the bid is nice and heavy on the level 2 as well. Right, come down. Come down to 164 at least. Bid is still nice and heavy. We got 162.25 as a target. Yeah, this trade is looking good. Alright, for good measure, I'm gonna take off half right there. And I'm gonna set my stop to break even. Right, so man, you got to see some nice scalping right there, man. This could have turned out a little bad, but within my risk management parameters, I'm risking my profit what I already did for today. So all in all, it's a good day, man. It's a good day. The worst that could have happened right there is like a lost profit. I probably could have lost my profit and probably lost the same amount that I made today. So it's all good. But in hindsight, maybe I was a little impulsive on this trade. So let me be honest with myself. This entry right here, anticipating this rejection at R3, probably was a little too impulsive. But I guess I'm going with my education, man. Today is supposed to be a typical day. So I'm not expecting price to just do a V reversal and shoot up into a trend day, you know what I'm saying? This is just a second leg of the original trade, which is the pop-up to R3, the mama bear, sold off. Then we pop back up to R4, sold off. I'm trying to see where I could put my target. We got some bids at 162.87, so I think I'm gonna do 162.90 for the rest of my position right here. And I think I'm gonna secure up to 164.40. Let's see where else. We got some bids at 162.20. But we have a nice cluster right there at 162.95, 163, so we got 163. It kind of jumps around a little bit. I gotta focus on it. 163.04. We got 163, and then we got 162.87. So let's see what it does. We got the volume pointer control lining up with VWAP as well. So we're probably getting a little buying coming in right there. Buyers are thinking, well, this is the pullback. I guess that's their ABCD pattern where they're gonna let's buy at VWAP, you know. But the market is selling off. We got the Qs. Let me pull across the Qs. The Qs is kind of rejecting off of VWAP. The bid is very heavy compared to the ask on the level 2 though, so I'm confident in this trade. At least I think at least we're gonna get to 162.90. I think we're gonna break VWAP. To be on the safe side though, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take another partial right here. Close this order right here. Take a partial right there. Just to be on the safe side. Right, so we looking like we're gonna get the breakdown now. Let's see. I'm gonna put this target. Let's see if we got something on the bid. 162.25. Can we get to lower VWAP at 162? Let's see. I think we got some, yeah, we got some bids coming down there. Let's see, 162. All right, let's try this right here at R2 at 162.63. Let's see if we could get that, because I think it's taking kind of long to break down though. I'm gonna move back to the top of this candle right here, 164.23. Because I think we kind of catching some support right here at VWAP. So if we push back up to the top of this candle, I'm gonna just take the stop out. Alright, y'all, there you have it. Let's see, let me take a peek at my P&L and see what really happened. Oh man, so I doubled up. Yeah, I doubled up on this trade. Alright, so it's a nice day, man. Kind of a little risky trade. Started to add to the position while it was pushing up. Added at key levels right here where it might fail. Saw the rejection right there. Kind of jumped in a little early right here above upper VWAP. Take the breakdown of 165. Added to the position again. And covered here at this level right here, which was, I believe that was the pre-market high. This red dash line right there, so covered around pre-market high. So we came back and kind of retest that level. So maybe it's gonna break out today, who knows? But my job is done. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. That was kind of nice, man. That was kind of nice. You know, haters gonna say it's kind of risky. You know what I'm saying? But it definitely was. I was risking my profit, and actually what I made is actually what I could have lost. So it all balances out. I know what I was doing in my mind, so it's justifiable for me. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's King Yedaya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.